Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Journals over at Instagram. Today I have a design team project sharing using the ThePaperCameo Ave Maria kits. So because it's December 8th, I thought it's perfect to share this project. I The inspiration for this project as well is my grandmother who passed away last year. She's a devotee of Mama Mary, and she's the one who taught me, the Angelus. She taught me all of the prayers, how to pray the Rosary, and all of that. So I was just thinking of her when I was putting this together. So I hope you enjoy this video. Basically, it's the same as my previous project. If you saw my folder ephemera holder using one of ThePaperCameo's kits as well, it's pretty similar. I still use the envelopes because I'm obsessed with Nicola's envelopes. The envelopes from her kits are my absolute favorite, so I really love using them. And the huge tags that she also has, I really love them. So those are what I use mostly in this ephemera holder. And I tried to do a bit of the tab binding method, but I think I failed a little bit. But I mean, it still looks okay, and it's still, held together really well. So the closure for this ephemera holder is just white sari silk ribbon. Let's put that to the side. This is the front. So they're all made from envelopes, aside except for some of the inserts, I would say, or the note cards that I put inside the envelopes. Those are part of the kit. I shrunk them down so that they're a what passport size, so that they can fit inside the envelope. So that's what I did. So the front just has this vintage lace. This is a modern applique, but I thought the color just went really well with the rest of the ephemera holder. You open it up and you can see more of the envelope, right? So this would be the envelopes that are part of the kit, as well as this one. I just added some lace in there. And then this one opens like this. Maybe I'll do this first because it's more simple. Then inside, it's just a note card. So this is that full page, background page that I just shrunk down to size. Then the other side is a little bit more exciting. So this is the envelope, right? And then what I did is that I attached one of the shrunken down pages as well to extend the page. So if you understand that, if I'm explaining it correctly, you open it like that. This is the envelope with the note card. Hi.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, baby. That's my little boy with an I love you break. And then it opens up. So this is one of those shrunken down background pages as well. You open it like that. And then inside, I just got one of these. So this is a tuck spot that's included in the kit as well. I just cut it to size. And then inside, I just have this I don't know, attached tags. I don't know why I attached them, but I just wanted that to show like this. So it goes like that. So that's the first page. And then next. So this is the back of that envelope. I just added this. That's a tuck spot included in the kit. This one I fussy cut out of the kit as well. So this is another set of envelopes. I just added this label and then this seal. Open it up. Another note card. So that's how the whole page looks like. The other side. That's the whole page. You flip it. So this is the back. This is just a notepad. I fussy cut this out, and then tucked inside is a mini note card. Another envelope. This one I included this vintage ephemera. This is the note card. Comes inside this envelope. Then this other side, this is a tuck spot. I added this vintage ephemera from 1901. Goes in there. Then this is another one of those extended flip. It's a note card that goes in there. I love this envelope that goes with that note card. Then tucked is this attached tag. Goes inside, then you fold it. I think this is the last spread. A note card in a tuck spot. Another fussy cut. Then I just added this medallion there. More Mama Mary images and a note card. And then this is the back. So the back, I just have this ephemera, and then I made a mini envelope. This is also part of the kit. You open it up. Oops. And then I just have some labels and little bits inside there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this project share. Let me know if you're interested in this ephemera holder. Just send me a message on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.